Welcome. In this tutorial, I'm gonna show you or teach you how to show game library on Epic Games using your computer. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So first of all, you want to open your Epic Games launcher, okay, like that. And now as you can see on my screen, I have the game library right here at the left side, right? So if you don't have that, what you can do is to click here on your profile picture and click on setting. So now, if you don't have the library game, it's because you allow this, okay? Because when you check on hide game library, you won't see the game library. Okay, so I'm just gonna enable that. And now, as you can see, I don't have the game library, right? So if you want to unhide it, just go again and click on settings and check the game library option. And when you go back, as you can see, there's the game library. Okay. And that is how you show the game library on Epic Games. So I hope this video helped you. And if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you on the next one and have a great day.